Here we have a 2022 Harris 250 Grand Mariner Tri-Toon. It's the tower on it. It is powered. We'll walk around the back here. It does have the extended deck, nice wide stainless ladder, Mercury 300 horse Verado with DTS and PAS, fender holders in the back, a lot of seating. Let's get inside this. Does have the teak weave upgraded flooring, 3 full-length tunes. Does have the performance package on it, of course. Is in black sapphire. Really long benches with armrests, cup holders. Cell phone chargers, speakers, storage under all the seats, very nice quilting in the seats. Beautiful boat. In-floor storage in that center tune. Have a gate over at the side to get in and out. It does have the ottoman with the cooler too. Raised helm, swim mat on the helm. It's nice and grippy, lots of leg room. SIMRAD's in the dash. JL audio stereo system. It is the Platinum edition. Top of the line stereo system. Tilt steering. Rated for 13 passengers. Does have the total lighting package, the fender system, windscreen, pillow top furniture, powder coated fence rails. The seating back here flips back and forth. So you have a huge lounger facing the rear. You can also take that little cushion out there and lay that backrest all the way down. It does have a gate here if you need to keep little ones or pets in. Beautiful boat. Bimini up there, full cover. Come see it at SkipperBud's.